Welcome to Kusumapura, the ancient intellectual capital of India in 476 CE. Here, a brilliant young astronomer and mathematician named Aryabhata authored a monumental text called the Aryabhatiya when he was just 23 years old. This single masterpiece revolutionized global mathematics, laying the absolute groundwork for trigonometry, algebra, and the modern decimal system. Ekam dashat sahasram, sthanna dashaguna. Perhaps his most famous contribution was establishing the modern decimal place value system. While ancient civilizations used clunky symbols for large numbers, Aryabhata realized that the value of a digit should depend on its position. His Sanskrit verse translates to 1, 10, 100, 1000, from place to place. Each is 10 times the preceding. This revolutionary concept implicitly birthed the mathematical 0. Chaturdhika shatmashtguna dvashististha sahasranam. In another brilliant stroke, he calculated the most accurate value of pi in the ancient world. His verse translates to add 4 to 100, multiply by 8, and then add 62,000. By this rule, the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 20,000 can be approached. This exact fraction yields the value of pi is 3.1416. Which is accurate to 4 decimal places. Makhi bhakhi fakhi dhakhi. Aryabhata also essentially invented trigonometry. He introduced the concept of the jya, meaning the half chord of a circle, which directly evolved into the modern sine function. To memorize the massive sine tables, he encrypted the numerical values into a poetic Sanskrit alphabet system called Katapayadi. The seemingly nonsense syllables, makhi, bhakhi, fakhi, were actually highly precise encrypted trigonometric values. Anulongati nostha pashyatya chali vilonga yadvat. Beyond mathematics, he was a visionary astronomer. A full 1,000 years before Copernicus, Aryabhata proposed that the Earth rotates on its own axis. He used a brilliant analogy. Just as a man in a boat moving forward sees the stationary objects moving backward, so are the stationary stars seen by people on Earth moving exactly towards the west. This completely shattered the illusion that the sky revolves around the Earth. Chadayati Shashi Suryam. He was also the first to scientifically explain solar and lunar eclipses, boldly rejecting the mythological beliefs that eclipses were caused by demons swallowing the sun. He declared, "The moon covers the sun, and the great shadow of the earth covers the moon." He understood that the moon and planets shine entirely by reflected sunlight. In algebra, he provided elegant algorithmic solutions for complex Diophantine equations of the first degree. He called his algorithm the Kuttaka, or the pulverizer method, because it systematically broke down the equation into smaller, manageable steps. This algorithm remains one of the most powerful tools in classical number theory. The legacy of Aryabhata is immeasurable. He single-handedly shifted mathematics from basic arithmetic into the realm of abstract algebra, trigonometry, and advanced astronomy. To honor the absolute father of Indian mathematics, India proudly named its very first satellite, Aryabhata, in 1975, ensuring his genius will literally orbit the Earth forever.